In today's video, we're diving into a comparison of two of the most popular landing page software options, Instapage versus Elementor. Both are well known for their ability to create high-converting landing pages, but which one is truly the best for you? Stick around till the end because I'll not only give you my honest breakdown of both, but also share what I think is the better alternative, and it might surprise you. First, let's talk about Instapage. Instapage is often touted as a specialized tool for landing pages, and that's where it shines. It's designed with conversion optimization in mind, offering a variety of advanced features like A/B testing, heat maps, and detailed analytics. These features give you a granular look at how your landing pages are performing, which is crucial if you're focused on maximizing conversions. But here's the catch: all those features come at a higher price point. Instapage can get expensive, especially if you're just starting out or need it for smaller projects. So, while it's great for those who need detailed analytics and optimization, it's not the most budget-friendly option. Next, let's take a look at Elementor. Elementor is a WordPress plugin that lets you build landing pages directly within your WordPress site. One of its standout features is its ease of use. You don't need any coding skills to get started. Elementor offers a drag-and-drop interface, making it incredibly user-friendly. It also comes with a huge selection of templates, widgets, and a lot of flexibility and customization. However, the downside to Elementor is that it's not as powerful as Instapage when it comes to conversion features. While it's great for general page building, it lacks the built-in A/B testing and advanced analytics that Instapage offers. The third thing to consider is the speed and performance of both platforms.
Instapage is highly optimized for speed, meaning that your landing pages will load quickly, which is essential for keeping visitors engaged. Elementor, on the other hand, can be a bit slower, especially if you're using a lot of heavy widgets or don't optimize your pages properly. Fourth thing to keep in mind is the integrations. Instapage has a huge range of integrations with other marketing tools like CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and analytics
Tools. This is a big win if you're already using a bunch of other services and want seamless integration. Elementor, while offering integrations with some platforms, doesn't have the same level of compatibility and ease of use when compared to Instapage. Next, let's talk about the learning curve. Instapage is powerful but can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to landing page design. It's packed with features, but the learning curve can be steep. Elementor, on the other hand, is much more intuitive and easier to pick up for beginners, especially if you're already familiar with WordPress. If you're someone who wants something that just works out of the box, Elementor may be the better choice for you. Now, while both Instapage and Elementor have their strengths, here's where I think a lot of people overlook an even better option. After trying both platforms extensively, I found that there's a landing page builder that offers the same great features, with even better performance, lower pricing, and a more user-friendly experience. But I'll save that for the end. So overall, both Instapage and Elementor are solid choices, but they cater to different needs. Instapage is fantastic for those who want advanced analytics, optimization tools, and can afford the higher price. Elementor is great for WordPress users who want an easy-to-use, drag-and-drop editor for basic landing pages. But if you're looking for the best of both worlds, performance, ease of use, and more affordable pricing, then I recommend checking out the free trial of the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits and the best trial experience available. Go ahead and give it a try. I believe it's the better option for building landing pages that convert.